What up guys, welcome to episode 2 of my 2019 Supermoto build series. In this episode we're gonna mount the Forkshrink. You can find the links in the description below. Also gonna mount the skid plate, do some oil maintenance and change the air filter. To mount the Forkshrink 360 you need to do the following first. Before ordering you need to measure the lower part first. In this case it's about 30 centimeters, and also you need to measure the upper part for the other part of the Forkshrink, which is about 18 centimeters for me. Then you go to the website of Forkshrink 360 and you select the colors you want. In this case I went with white and orange. And then you also tell the measurements you just did for your forks. And then you can start mounting the Forkshrink 360.
Nu wel.
Nice. After mounting the Shrink 360 protection kit, you need to heat them up with the heat gun and then it's all done. So it's fairly easy, but this is how to in 1 minute.
Oh, I wasn't recording.
Fuck you. I'm gonna remove my license plate and gonna replace it with a mount from Hot Swap. Yeah, it's really that name. You mount this piece on your license plate holder, this part on your license plate, and how it works is you can slide your license plate in like that, and it has a magnet in it, so that way you can remove your license plate easily if you want to do, yeah, make photos of your bike, for example.
Are you ready, Crashkings?
Nope. And here you can see how the hot swap works. You can slide it right in. And it's really sturdy. Even better than I thought. And then you can slide it out like that. And normally your license plate is on it. And then you can remove your license plate. Perfect if you want to hit the track. And you're too lazy to remove the complete tail light. So hot swap. Link in the description below. Already the end of the, the second episode. It was a pretty short one, but we'll keep posting videos. In this episode I fitted the Forkshrink 360 kit, full protection. I think it looks really sick. And I will post more photos on my Instagram of course, and also on the Supermofools Instagram account. And what else did we do? Ah, we mounted the hot swap. Hot swap. Shouldn't it be hot swap? Hot swap.
Hot swap hop bop.
So yeah, I think it looks sick with all black again. And in the next video we're gonna update my graphics. So finally mounting the graphics on this kit. I've seen them, it's gonna look sick. Bye!
Lomp, joh.